Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Me mamoti asiye se Kennedy Japan ekan se Ghana ha sei. Oyo sofo na wo be kana. Ansa no Kennedy Japan be ba bonten. Ababa be blasto. But wa sha asiye se wo ye enyama bi afa osofo Nigerian ho. Meanwhile Nigerian embe kana ye. So we will say well Ken Japan ato wono ankasa ni rules no ego. Anyway, in some way, afa Nigerian who biano, ya the bedrock, we are there for the stories. Now, they see answer na Kenya Japan kasabe kasane, they see and say, what the branch be eba show neso. A branch be was free Cape Coast. I was say on a Nigerian aye juma, where Nigerian the junior pastor, why the junior pastor for close to 5 years. A branch and a picture and a moon was screen so no see, your friend kakra esiam. Kakra esiem na branch ya bekasa ensemo awaka na me de betum wenim na me de tum wenim wi a there are some parts of ensemo awaka we need to question because munim say ye de asemba bia na depending on the side we don't take sides, we will question it whilst we feel say there are inconsistencies with the story, we will question it and then we will all know the truth of the story. You know ensemo branch we eka any what's in the life is at risk. Wosha I said, Nigerians himself will know a branch, no. Nigerians himself know a branch and knows Nigerians will know the secrets be. Inti Nigerians the air yet the obey to destroy or defame him and to even kill him a branch, no. Now, what say the AC Nina and I say, will know a branch, no. Our girlfriend. Now, say about girlfriend and so crown, so and another junior pastor bia wo Nigeria sorry I friend God's way no SN no a branch and any naked pictures and videos Emma wo no kakra no nkasa naked pictures and videos no, it was sent by one other junior pastor I friend God's way. Now God's way ni send we na God's way ni ka say hey wo ne nkrofo ye record da wo ye say ye be expose you. It's a send video ni man no no ankasa na adeja e no no ahu say eh na ede na makwa akoye adeja ben ni until later no no be explain here say da bi say this whole thing no ya wono ne the girlfriend no be bisa say how come and I wono ne the girlfriend akwa Nigerian and then the other junior pastors wo monsa aka ni videos. Now what's a video no almost send man no almost also send him also fufufro the naked pictures no almost send him also fufufro na nini name no say no more person wo no kakra no ebehu Nigerian na wakoto estre Nigerian no pan the chow say papa facheme but no kakra no o ka say wonye den wonye because picture no and videos no of onona deja no eye Nigerians na ball won no kakra ne girlfriend pa asema kakra ne kani. I've told you I am bringing you kakra ne side of the story. Ye we are na yankasa so ye de adwen e bobo asem hu say okay ne kre wa ha ne kre ni ha ne kre wa ha ne kre ni ha because ye nya ye badwen but that's what I believe. Iti was say obehu say because on the girlfriend and akwakoda and I watch pictures now obviously when the girlfriend diary and the girlfriend a pictures no without his knowledge. It is just a Nigerian e bo no the girlfriend ne pa. Emma the girlfriend no Emma the girlfriend ne twa those pictures and if possible cry videos. Now was it you see and I say Nigerian Emma the junior pastors no the pictures no any videos no e no a branch here I friend the kakra ne chrome e wo Cape Coast e di kogu kakra ne ni mu ase nti owo ha obo nse ni nia afre no wo oye twin won say friend kakra nti oye twin owo ha na ni nia ne twin ne other twin sister no afre no say nsam o mo kan ni wo ha na danfo bi friend nti osi onya more than 20 calls omo ni na say nkrofo bi the pictures aba wo mo spread wa ha na wo otin kran ho say adwuma we e na wo kokodi obi a also ye sofo to say woni nkrofo e kwa akoda e ma ya kwa akotwitwa pictures edigu woni mu ase Just in the name ebe go ase pa wo ko ne krom pa eyade a nanim ebe gu ase na ne name no bi bebisa say da bi o nti abrantie because story I want narrating no immediately the way he started the story, that is how I'm also bringing it to you. Into me a story now, the question I ask myself is say idea way ni na abrantie ne ka no, he hasn't said what he did wrong to Prophet Nigel Gacy. Until I ask myself, say, Bonebe no Ediaye Nigel Gacy Sebi, because Nipa de will be able to me sorry says one time or Ebenam Bibi so. Until the no air and say, Bonia would the Eddie Nigel Gacy and Bonia wonu who said Abi would the Eddie Nigel Gacy and say Nigel Gacy Mabebre sorry ho just a worry Mabebre was sorry ho. Now there was one lady sorry her a friend Rita Adams. Now Rita Adams no no fi Cape Coast into no so for no so no ofi Cape Coast ninti when Rita Adams say be year close. Now na Rita Adams no complain atone say onim say me ne Nigel hihye ho onim say me ne so for penny hihye ho wa promise me 2 years ni so be worry me but yes ho nyama still aware no won kan ho asem enem se won no kakra ne hu ne se daabi nipa we ye nipa bia me ni no efi kuro ba akoso nti e wasa me yedan me yi ensem no ho etre no na wo yi ensem no ho tre reta se reta forget you na we die sa na de be ye o wo yere e wo ma na yere no wo taifa asema wo no kan no nti akwa akoye say wo yi Nigel Gacy to and I was also enim secrets of Nigel Gacy and with the story bremo of mami bia worker say Nigel Gacy ono mami ne so Nigel Gacy sa e de ne ko Gambia say wo kwaji eduro eduro no wo mo kwaji wie no Nigel Gacy tia e wo say wo tia mami no we ntia no e be da ne nsem bebre me de sa ansem ne bro say sa ansem ne de e ba ya che into one no kakra no say so the reason why Prophet Nigel Gacy was exposing his nakedness and was exposing him, defaming him, and they say when him all these things about Nigel Gacy is true. So one no kakra no but then send the baba thing and I walk say Nigel Gacy no or you're into a can say when you're actually written no now as someone walk and they say Nigel Gacy what say okponglo ena ne yere ete taifa ena ebisa ne say and no what is the reason why was suffer ete baby and ne yere ete baby as someone kakra no was say wo claim say we Nigel Gacy ni junior pastor no was say Nigel Gacy eni maame no ekọ Gambia no maame no ekatre Nigel Gacy say Nigel Gacy ma ene oba bia enda eno hunti ena Nigel Gacy woni eye ne yere ho e wo taifa ho no because so ne yere ho e wo taifa wo bi ene ne yere tifie de mo ye de nkran ho tumi ga so mo nda inti juju ni ntia na branche we kasana no sanso e kan sem bi say Nigel Gacy kran de ntia taifa ho wonti na ho kran no ene say Nigel Gacy pese wo de mma ekofie ho ekore omo nanso efie ho no ne yere wo ho nti obviously to be fan ba nko ho internet Nigel Gacy no oni ne yere ho a wote okponglo intimate we ana me say why the inconsistencies clearly why the inconsistencies because at a particular point in time you are making us understand that the reason why Nigel Gacy is not staying with ne yere and say wakwa Gambia akodi edro e ma ye tre ne say more ni oba enda now so wo train say Nigel Gacy nso wo girls bebre wona mada once one train say reason nti I want ne yere ho wo taifa ho in at another particular point in time and they say wo person wona ma ekofie ho koda nti so which is which so you see the inconsistencies in the story so which is which asem way me dem mama mo ati say asemba it could be two ways Ghana has enkrofo same enkrofo din ebetumi aba say one in some branch way air come for Nigeria gazing no ebetumi aba say the it is true asem de ba eye 2 eye ne kre ana say nya ne kre ana say eye o de ye beka asem ne ba eye 3 ana bibi half lies ana bibi what you say but o de ye mfa ne say ebetumi aba say asem a branch way kan ne kre bi wom ana say ne kre bi enim ebetumi asonso aba say the entire branch can stories wey edigu Nigeria's enimu ase ene say ebia wonu junior pastor no ekodi iboni bia enam so e ma Nigeria's no epame no e na wonu nso akantam say zamakodi boni na wapame me pan de a enya me nso me den me say udin. It happens. A lot of people do this. Wa wutie me unim nkofu bebre wo ho a ebia wone ne boss e wo ho wakwa akodi boni ne boss pame a wapame ne nti waye na adwen se wo be say ne boss din e de nsem a ensem fata e de to ne boss so ensem no enu ni ye de tell say ye nya san crofo na wo bi be kan asem a na enimonimu ho na mo agene di no dabi. You scrutinize the matter and see say whether there are inconsistencies with the matter. Asem a branch and work ani I was see a friend kakra. You see, and this thing what can be say na Nigeria's ba bonte be kasape and then it will be like Nigeria is fighting Kennedy Japan because a branch akwa akotena Kennedy Japan show so near the same bebre aba we say asem we Nigeria in person asem bebre beba nti onu so beye kom wo ho and people will feel say ebia the year can fa ne ho no eye ne kre. I am not saying say there's not that possibility say ebia eye ne kre. It could be say eye ne kre and eye ne kre. But it sounds like branch better now the seat shown so air can inti obi believe it. A lot of people have believed it. I'm wondering why you comment box no more.